Hello. You're here to learn about working remotely as a transcriptionist. Let's get started. What does a transcriptionist do? A transcriptionist must accurately transcribe words heard on an audio or video file into clearly readable text for a company or organization. Imagine that you are listening to voicemail messages on your phone, and instead of deleting them, you have to type each message out as you listen. This is exactly what you'll be doing, only on a professional level. The audio and video files are provided to you by a transcription service company, and you are given a certain amount of time to transcribe each file. The content of these audio and video files vary greatly, depending on the type of clients the transcription service accepts. General transcription files can come from meetings, lectures, verbal notes, etc. Some files come from legal briefings related to legalities. There used to be quite a bit of medical transcription work, but this specialty work is drying up rapidly due to technology advances. So, medical transcription training is no longer recommended for those just getting started in transcription. That's okay though, because there is plenty of general and legal transcription work to go around. Who else needs transcription services? People associated with academia, entertainment, marketing, journalism, filmmaking, podcasts, and many more fields. This means you'll be transcribing a variety of files, and after a while, you may find that you enjoy working with specific file types over others. If so, you may decide that you want to focus on a niche such as legal for most of your work. This work-at-home job requires a PC or laptop, a reliable internet connection, and you may also need to get a headset and foot pedal. As you apply to various transcription companies, keep in mind that this is a work-at-home independent contractor job, and you are not being hired as an employee. As an independent contractor, you have the flexibility to choose the hours you work. How much can you make? The average hourly rate is $10 an hour to just over $19 an hour. The greater your skills, the more you can earn per hour. The amount of money you make per month is also heavily dependent on how much access to transcription work you have, and this can fluctuate from service to service. What training do you need? When starting out, a high school diploma or GED in basic typing skills are often enough for companies open to accepting beginning transcriptionists. Clerical or general office skills can also be helpful for learning how to transcribe. Many people assume that all you need is fast typing skills to enter this career. However, most transcription services put greater emphasis on accuracy because their clients want their content transcribed correctly. So, you really don't need to be a speedy typist, but speed is an asset for getting the work done on time when there are deadlines involved. Unless the service emphasizes typing speed, don't worry about how fast you type. You may, however, want to take a transcription course before applying to boost your chances of acceptance. Most of these services require applicants to take a test as part of the application process. Be prepared to submit a test file and be tested on accuracy, grammar, and spelling. The amount of time you take to complete the test may also be a factor. Transcriptionist job skills. A strong command of the English language is a must if you are applying for jobs in the United States, Canada, and other English-speaking countries. For non-English global jobs or bilingual jobs, you must have strong language skills in a specific language. You may also be given a grammar test, so be sure to brush up on basic grammar. Good at detailed work. You are able to focus on transcribing even the smallest details. Good listener. Your listening skills must be good enough to hear what's being said most of the time. Sometimes the audio isn't that good, but you must do your best to transcribe as much of the file content as possible. Tips. Be patient during the application process. Some services may take days to weeks to get back with you about acceptance. Don't call or email companies about your application. This may cause your application and test to be automatically rejected. Never pay money upfront to apply for work at a transcription service. Legitimate companies don't ask for money to apply for work. Beware of scammers using the name of legitimate transcription services to con you out of money and your private information. Want more consistent work? Apply to more than one service to gain access to more work. If one service has a workflow slump, another one may have lots of work available. I hope this information is helpful to you in landing a great job. If you want more information like this, hit the like button, turn on the notification bell, and subscribe to our channel.